Have you ever seen a vending machine as big as this one? A vending machine with two sides. And on the top of the machine, there were two LED advertisement screens. One side of the slot is with pusher for snack and drink with elevator. The other side is bio slot, can sell snack and e-cigarette. Let me show you the shopping process. Support multiple purchase in a time. And this simple means you need to verify your age before able to buy. Swipe ID card. Now we are able to buy. Hey. Let's see what happened. The right side cabinet elevator go up and deliver the product. The pickup door will automatically open. We can take the product and the left side of the machine elevator go up to pick up the product. It goes to the middle too. Shopping flow complete, and it's empty. Product delivery success. If you are looking for a big and nice vending machine, contact us for more information.